How about making some easy money just by engaging in your hobby? Well, everyone loves music. They simply listen to music to relieve their souls a bit more and to wash out all the stress stuck in their heads. Then how about making some money with this daily habit? Did you ever know that you can make money just by listening to music? No matter if it is a yes or a no, let's just see how. In this video, we are going to describe to you the easy ways that you can make money by listening to music. Welcome to Clever Money Girl, a place where you can find many tips to become financially stable. Before diving in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more easy money-making tips. Well, let's move on to the topic. Listening to music is one of the easiest methods to earn money online. All you need to do is register for some websites that allow you to earn money by listening to songs. Well, why do these websites pay you? The reason is, such websites pay people for reviewing the music of upcoming musicians. These websites ask for feedback from a variety of users to assist musicians to decide the direction their songs should take by considering the user's demands. The process is not so hard. Just an understanding of the process is enough to carry this work on. What you need to do is fairly simple here. At first, you have to sign up for the relevant website that allows you to make money via listening to songs and making a profile there. Then you can begin your work just after your profile has been approved. To earn easy money, you have to complete 2 tasks: listening and reviewing. You can listen to the songs of upcoming or new artists there and write reviews on them after listening. The more you listen, the more money you will earn. Musicxray. Musicxray allows musicians to upload their music and get paid for doing so. It's a website that links talent hunters with artists. By submitting their songs to the site and gaining followers, these musicians pay a specific amount to market their music and develop a fan base, so that the purpose of the users is to listening to the music they like. The website then pays these users or fans to listen to the music of such musical artists. The majority of the recordings last just 30 seconds. Only PayPal is used by Musicxray to pay its users. They give users 10 cents for each song. The minimum payout requirement is $20. You can select the genre you prefer, and the most important thing here is, you will be paying for something that you enjoy doing. This one is a fantastic opportunity for you to have a side income by doing extremely nothing new. As we mentioned before, even about the payment, $0.1 every 30 seconds, or up to $12 per hour can be earned by this Musicxray. You can use your PayPal account, withdraw your money, and if you engage well in the work, you will be able to make between $100 and $200 every month while doing so. Current.us. Another popular way is following up the Current.us. You can get paid about $600 annually for listening to music on your phone if you use this site properly. You can make money easily while working at the office, running, or even driving to work, or whenever you get some free time. Simply, you can get money by earning points for using the app frequently. You will be able to earn more money by tapping on the app's music and other features. It will only get better as they continue to introduce more and more ways to earn. You can use your points to buy gift cards, make music recordings for offline listening, or cash out using PayPal. So why waste your valuable time by just listening to music when having the chance to earn some more money? Drag this opportunity to make easy money. UniqueRewards. Here comes another one. UniqueRewards enable you to earn easy money just by engaging in your favorite activities. On this website, you can find plenty of opportunities to earn money. Some of them are by completing offers and surveys, watching movies, listening to music, reading emails, buying online, clicking advertisements, and participating in free games. Well, you can make money with UniqueRewards as a subscriber by listening to the radio. Any radio station here that matches your interest can be listened to and take the benefits. There will be a CAPTCHA every 30 minutes, so every CAPTCHA code that is entered awards you money, and for each submitted CAPTCHA code, the American users receive $0.03, while British and Canadian users receive $0.01 as their rewards. And the most important thing is, when you got $20 in your balance, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Bitcoins, or using a weekly check. Slicethepie. Another well-renowned site that pays you for listening to songs is Slicethepie. It allows you to listen to the songs before they get published, and then you will get paid. The process goes like this. When you finish listening to a song, the website itself asks you to provide a review on that. It's a fantastic method to express your ideas and earn money if you enjoy listening to music. You have no choice in the music you review. You have to listen to these songs, which have been chosen by Slicethepie at random. Till you receive them, all of the tracks are anonymous. Before beginning to write a review of a song, you must first listen to at least 90 seconds of the track as well. A minimum of 45 words must be used in your review in order to earn money. The pay per review varies from 3 cents to 15 cents. The more you review, the more you earn. Once you have $10, you can use PayPal to withdraw your money. And the good thing to be happy is you can join there free of charge. RadioEarn. RadioEarn is considered a radio station as well as an app. This is free to try out, and you can join without any cost. After signing in, you can earn points every 15 minutes that can be exchanged for money or gift cards. Whenever someone clicks on the link to the radio station, you can put this radio link on your website or even on social network profiles. It will allow you to earn money. Although you receive points here, these points will be converted into US dollars in the following month. You can cash out your earnings on RadioEarn via Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, or wire transfers from your bank. As you receive points, for every 15 minutes you listen to the radio, your dedication is what matters. The more you push your energy into this, the more money you will be able to earn. Nielsen Market Research. Another most used method for earning money by listing songs is this Nielsen Market Research app. This is one of the best apps for earning money while listening to songs. You can download this app on both Google Play and the App Store. Your device usage will get accessed when you download the app and install it on your device. Then the software will be able to monitor your mobile browsing habits, including the music you listen to and the streaming services you use, in order to do market research. After that, you will receive payment from Nielsen for taking part in their research. So this is one of the easiest methods to earn money. Although the Nielsen app only allows you to make up to $50 a year, it still offers a hassle-free option for you to earn money while using your devices to listen to music. So this is definitely worth giving a try. Earnably. Earnably is very similar to Swagbuck, as it offers its users instant cash and free gift cards after they have completed their simple online tasks and surveys. Just like that, you can use Earnably to earn money by listening to music. When you listen to your favorite radio station in your free time, you will get points. Then you can redeem what you have earned for instant PayPal cash or free gift cards on whatever you need. A benefit this Earnably offers you is, this allows you to invite your friends, family, and followers to increase your earnings. When you invite someone to Earnably and they sign up, you will receive 10% of their all earnings of their entire life. So this is a perfect platform for you to try out to earn money without doing some hard work. Well, that's all about the topic. The amount you earn on these platforms will differ according to the time you spend there to earn money and how much effort you allocate on that. So what are you waiting for when there are more such opportunities to make easy money? Did you enjoy the video? If it is a yes, please share your thoughts in the comment section. We would love to hear your comments. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.